Can macOS Quick Look preview unsupported file types? Imagine you're browsing through dozens of files in Finder and want to see what's inside without opening each one. That's where Quick Look comes in. It's a handy feature that shows you a quick preview of files by just pressing the space bar. But what happens if you try to preview a file that isn't one of the usual formats? Well, that's what we're here to find out. Quick Look works by using special plugins called QL generator files. These plugins are like tiny helpers that tell your Mac how to display different types of files. For common formats like JPEG images, PDF documents, and MP4 videos, Quick Look already has built-in support. So, when you select one and press space, you see a full preview right in Finder. It's fast and saves you time. However, if you try to preview a file that isn't supported by default, Quick Look might just show a generic icon or a simple file info window. It won't display the actual contents of the file. For example, if you have a specialized CAD drawing or a rare archive format, Quick Look won't be able to preview it unless there's a plugin for that specific file type. The good news is that you can expand Quick Look's abilities by installing third-party plugins. These plugins add support for more formats like certain video codecs, compressed archives, or unique document types. Once installed, Quick Look can generate previews for these new formats, making your workflow smoother. You just need to find the right plugin compatible with your file types and install it properly. It's also worth noting that some unsupported files might not have plugins available at all. In those cases, Quick Look simply can't preview the file. You'd need to open it with a dedicated application to see its contents. But for most common and some less common formats, adding the right plugin can make a big difference. This flexibility is part of what makes the macOS ecosystem so user-friendly. It allows you to customize your experience and preview a wider range of files directly in Finder. Unlike some other operating systems that might requiring extra steps or separate applications, macOS makes it easy to extend Quick Look's capabilities with just a few installations. So, if you're wondering whether Quick Look can preview unsupported file types, the answer is yes, as long as you have the right plugins installed.